Right, hello, welcome to today's video, and as you already know, we are looking at a Hotpoint Experience WMEF641. This particular machine belonged to one of my customers. I've been to it twice in the time I've been self-employed, so that's about 5 years. Once was to take something out the sump hose, and once was to replace the hose from the jaw box to the drum. My customer contacted me to say she was moving house and no longer needed this washing machine. I offered to uplift it for her, as she'd had no use for it when she moved. It's meant to be working. I've got a new door sill to go on it, as the original one's quite mouldy, but we're going to take a look at it today, make sure it works, and then we'll get some videos done afterwards. Let's get into it. Okay, let's have a look in the drum first. Snap. Oh, didn't sound healthy. So from the sticker, it looks like it was made in March 2014, so what's that, 11 years old now. Doing well. 6 kilogram drum with a brushed motor. So let's try and have a quick look at this door seal then. As you can see, it's a bit black. Some may argue you could try and clean that, but do you know what? I can't be bothered. I'll put a new one of those on later. So on the soap tray, we've got all our programs and an auto clean symbol. So there's obviously a hidden auto clean cycle. I think it's done with the time save button. You've got Clean Plus programs, specials in the middle, and then cold eco cycles and extra cycles at the bottom on the right hand side. And then we've got our typical swing out Hotpoint inset Ariston jaw. Bit grotty in there, not too bad, not as bad as that Zanussi was. I think the tray itself is fairly clean. That's not on right. I'll come back to that. Okay, soap tray sorted. Let's have a look at these programs and options. So, number 1, anti-stain 40. 3 hours. Number 2, white 60. 3 hours. Yep. Number 3, cotton standard 60. 3 hours 15, take it down to 1 hour 32. Can't have intensive with time saver. Number 4, cotton standard 40. How long's that then? 3 hours 23. Delicate 151, 1 hour 30. With time saver without 3 hours again. Common theme going on there. 5, synthetic 60. 1 hour 55. 2 hours 18. Normal brings it down to 1 hour 37 with time save. Number 6, anti-allergy 60. Can change the temperature on that. Does it go? No, 60 degrees tops. Can't have time save with that. Intensive goes to 3 hours 38. 7, baby 40. I think that's as high as that one goes, to be fair. Yeah, bit disappointing. Again, intensive and normal. Number 8, wool 40, delicate. I think that stays at delicate. Number 9, delicate's 30. Number 10 is fast wash 60. Defaults to 40. Will go up to 60, and in that case takes an hour. 11, cotton standard 20. Well, I think these are all cold, so 20 degrees cold, whatever, same thing. That's with time saver, 1 hour 20, normal 2 hours 50. Number 12, eco cottons, 1 hour 20 or 1 hour 20. Can't change that either. 13, eco synthetics. Nope. Nope. And number 14 is eco fast 30. 30-minute fast wash. And we've got a rinse and spin, I think. Spin and pump out. And we're back around to the start. So yes, it's got variable temperature on the button, spin speed on the button. We have a delay timer option as well. So that's quite useful to have as well. Options are child lock, time safe and wash intensity. Okay, let's have a quick look in the lid. We have got one lump of concrete, a sealed drum. The sealed drum label, can't read what size, literage it is, upside down. I'm sure some will know, or there's a way to find out. At the back we've got a set of inlet valves, the jaw box, pressure switch at the front. It's a Hotpoint end of the day, not much to it, is there? So before we chuck any water through it, I thought it might be an idea to check the filter at the bottom. Let's have a look at the plinth. I'm hoping there's not a lot of water in this, but we'll have to see, won't we? So we have a bit of wire and a dirty penny. And there you can see the bump impeller, and there's a green emergency door pull as well in case the power goes down and the machine's locked you out. No good when the handle fails though, because that's their weak point, isn't it? Okay, I'll put this back together and put some water through it. Okay, plinth back on. Have a look at the bottom of the machine first of all, before we get into power actually. We've got our original guarantee sticker on there, which is starting to bubble a bit. And we've got what's left of the original product energy rating value sticker on the front. That will come off afterwards as well. It's seen better days, isn't it? Right, let's have a look at this then. Put some water through it, see what it does. It's the plinth settling back in. Okay, that's filled up to low level. Great. Let's stop this and pump it out. The water's going somewhere. Well, it looks alright. That's enough of a tease for you now. I'll wait until the full videos. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. We'll see this again. Until then, goodbye.